Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, teacher.
Very good evening to all of you.
Is this the webinar of Blocky Advanced?
Yes, Hansika, this is the webinar of Blocky Advanced. And I think you are attending this class very first time. No? Okay, but maybe I have seen you only first time in this class today. Have you attended any of my class? No. Why?
No, I just first I did of that Ankit Raj.
Okay, then why you did not attend the last session of mine?
I not got it.
I think this is my 6th class today.
I got it.
You forgot it.
No,
Very good evening to all. I'm talking to Hans.
I don't get any link.
You did not get any link.
No.
Ma'am, I completed the programming.
Wait. I'm talking to Hanshika right now, please. Yes, Hanshika. You did not get any mail?
No.
How is this possible to you?
Whenever I log in and that it shows us the OTP, but whenever there's a webinar, it shows the mail to go live. It's not shows that. It's not you.
Okay, then no problem. So you try to log into icode.org.
Yes.
Okay, so you can see the new coding there.
Yes.
Okay, so how many levels you have completed?
I just
okay, Hanshika, I'm just coming back to you. Yes, Vaibhav.
Ma'am, what is the code of level number 37?
Okay, the 37 in the beginner. Okay,
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 37 in the beginner. Okay, so first of all,
Ma'am, my 50th level left, then I will complete the programming.
Ma'am, I completed all the levels. I completed the programming mode.
okay, you completed all the 50 levels.
Yeah,
right?
ma'am.
Okay, so apart from those who have not completed all the 50 levels, first is the Weber who is asking for the 37th level. And apart from Weber,
yes, ma'am, I have level 37.
Yes, Ayushman. What happened?
Ma'am, I have done till 45 levels in programming, but I am having problem in 34, 37 and 39.
Okay, fine. Okay, then fine for me. First, I am going back to Hansika. Okay, she's just going to start with the basic level today. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then I will share you my code of level above 30. Yes, Hansika, please mute yourself. All of you mute yourself apart from Hansika. Yes, Hansika.
Yes.
Have you opened your coding screen?
Yes.
Okay, so can you see the screen? First, I'm going to share mine. Yes, Hansika, can you see this screen in your window too?
Yes.
No.
Okay. Okay, so can you see this basic one?
Yes.
Okay, just click on the go.
Yes.
When
But
you
I've already completed this.
you have completed 20 levels in there?
Yes, I got 60 out of 60.
That's really nice. That's really nice. Okay, fine. Then, okay. Then coming back to my code. So right now I am in beginner level. So you are also done with the coding of beginner level.
Means?
The beginner level. You done the coding of beginner level. This one. Hansika?
No.
No?
Good
evening,
programming. I did till 40. Here are 16 stars out of 150. I got 42 out of 150.
Okay, you have done this programming level too.
No, I not completed the whole.
Okay, so on which level you are?
I just check and see.
Yes, Hansika, can you please mute yourself?
Yeah.
Yes, Anjali.
Ma'am, I want to ask that I was doing the code and it was coming that refresh again and again, and when it is opening then again it is coming refresh, so I can't do my levels.
Please share me your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Sure, dear, take your time.
Ma'am, like this I was doing this code and this time it's okay, but before when I was playing that time it was coming in again and again.
Okay, now it's fine for you?
Yes, ma'am, now it's fine.
Okay, then you can stop sharing your screen. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to share mine. Hanshika?
Yes.
Hansika? Yes, on which level you are?
I'm on 16th level.
16th. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Let me know wherever you are facing any problem, okay, to complete all the 50 levels of the beginner. Fine?
Okay.
Okay, so let's come back to Weber. Weber? Which one level, dear?
Ma'am, level number 37.
Okay, fine. The level number 37. This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Yes. What I did in my code, I just code only for this moment. Okay. I coded my
Ma'am, I am also coding like this only.
okay. And then I just repeating my loop. So what I did to repeat this block, I was moving Dave step 2. That means Dave first go step 2. Okay, then he will turn right and then again he will move 2 steps. Then he will turn left. Okay, so till what time he have to done this thing? 1, 2. Okay, and then he is just turning left in this position. Okay, first he's gathering this energy source, then the right turn, and then he's gathering this energy source. Now he will repeat this for 3 times. 1, 2. Okay, this is again 1, 1, 2. The 2. Now at this position, what I am writing, Dev 2, that means he is moving 2 steps to gather this energy source, and then he is turning right. Then he turned right. Now the complete of this block I am repeating for 4 times because if you will calculate 1, 2, 3, and then the 4. Okay. So I am just doing all the activities for the 4th time, and particularly for this moment, I am doing this for 3 times. When my Dev is on this position, I am just coming back from the loop. Then I'm saying that move 2 steps, then turn right. Okay. Because this movement is same of this, but I cannot repeat. I cannot repeat this in my loop because I will get error when my Dev come to this position and he needs to turn left. Fine. So if you want, you can take a screenshot, and if you want, you can just copy my code.
Ma'am.
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, Anant.
Yes, Anand. Sorry.
Ma'am, I have a problem in 38 code. Ma'am, I'm not getting. Ma'am, in the second point, my spaceship has been turned lefting and I am right. Ma'am, I have write the code as left. So ma'am mean right. So ma'am, it's going opposite direction.
Okay, just give me a second. When Weber will copy this code, I will just share my screen for the 38 code. Fine? Fine, dear?
Ma'am,
Okay.
Yes, who's there?
I have taken the screenshot.
Okay, you have taken the screenshot. Fine. Then I'm going to start with the 38th level. And in the 38th level, yes, what you were saying?
Ma'am, in the second outer point, ma'am, my spaceship is going to left. So, ma'am, I'm not getting after the code. After that.
Fine. Share me your screen.
1 second.
Yes, sure, dear. Take your time. Hansika, I will talk to my team regarding your problem that you are not getting email. Okay. And definitely they will inform you. I just need to write down your name. Your name is Hansika. And Weber?
Yes, ma'am.
You get invitation mail today or not? You are just joining by.
Yes, ma'am. Now I get. Yes, ma'am. Today I get.
Okay, fine. Move 2 steps, then the spaceship will move down left. Fine. Then the spaceship is moving 1 step, and the spaceship is moving turn right. Fine. After moving the turn right position, the spaceship is moving 2 steps. Fine. Then the spaceship will move turn left, and the spaceship will move 1 step. Then the turn right and 2 steps. Okay. And then turn left. Turn left and left. Fine. Then spaceship will move 2 steps. Fine. Then again turn left and the 1 step. Then turn right. Can you please run this, Anand? You are getting problem on this side. Fine. So that means first 2 steps is for this. Then 1 step is for this energy source. And 2 steps for this. And 1 step for this energy source. Fine. 2 steps for this. And again 2 steps to get the energy source. Then 2 steps to come back to the position. And 1 step to come back at this position. Fine. And after turning right, After turning right, you are going again 2 steps. Fine. Then you are turning left and you are getting this energy source and then 2 steps. Fine. After moving 2 steps, turn left and 1 step. Fine. You cannot run this loop.
Okay.
Anant, wait. Just listen to me where you are getting problem. Okay. First, if I will talk about the loop written in the repeat block. Okay. The step 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, and again 1. Okay. So where the movements will end only for this loop. Where the movements will end only for this loop.
Mhm.
Where will be the last movement? Of
Ma'am,
only the I'm not talking about the repeat block. I'm not talking about the repeat block. I'm asking in the repeat block, the things is written where it will end if I will run my repeat block only one time. Write it down 1. In the repeat block, write it down 1 so that you can know where it will end. Am I the only one who cannot see the changes? Okay, fine. So you can see where the loop is ending.
I'm here.
Fine. Now, if I'm doing it second time, that means again the spaceship is moving 2 steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then turn left
Yes, ma'am.
and
Turn
1
left.
step.
Yes.
Then turn right
2.
and 2 steps. Now turn left. Okay, fine.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
how many steps my spaceship should move?
Ma'am, 2.
2 steps. But the thing is written in the loop is 1. That's why my Dev is not moving at this position. Fine. Can I
Okay.
share my code?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
What I'm doing? Wait, let me just check. All of you are in the meeting. Fine. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm just moving from this position first. So I have written the spaceship will move 2 steps. Okay. This is out of the loop movement. First, my spaceship will move this 2 steps. Okay. And I have not taken this path. Okay. I'm taking the right one path. I'm not taking the left one path. Fine. So what I'm doing, Anand, I'm just moving my spaceship 2 steps. Then I'm turning right. And after turning right, I'm again moving 2 steps. Then I'm turning left and the 1 step. Okay. And then this will happen for 2 times. 2 times means again turn right and collect this energy source and turn left and move 1 step. Okay. So where my this repeat block will end, it will end on this position. Okay. Straight to this line and my loop will end on this position. Now what I'm doing, I'm saying now the spaceship will turn right and the spaceship will move 2 steps. Then spaceship will turn right, or I can say turn left or left. Okay. Then come back to 2 number. Okay. And after doing this, I am repeating this complete block for the 4 times. Fine, Anand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so have you copied this code or you want to take a screenshot?
Ma'am, I have taken the screenshot.
Okay, fine. You have saved the screenshot also?
Yes, ma'am, I saved.
Okay, fine. Yes, Vaibhav? No, not Vaibhav. Actually, there was someone who asked me for different codes. Yes, Aisha.
Am I?
34, I think.
Yes, ma'am, 34 and 39.
Fine. Let's start with the 34 code. First, share me your screen. Let's see what you have done in your code. Should I start solving? Hanshika, sure, dear, you have to start solving your levels. Okay? Hanshika? Is it Hansika or Hanshika? Hanshika? Hanshika, can you hear me?
Ma'am, she is Hansika. Hanshika.
Okay, she's Hansika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ayushman, just wait. She's not responding back and she have done only 16 levels.
Yes.
Hansika, if you can hear me, please start solving all the levels of beginner. And wherever you face any problem, please let me know so that I can share my screen. Fine?
Yes. I'm solving it. I started.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Yes, Ayushman.
Ma'am, I am seeing that my code was wrong, so I have deleted
Okay, you have deleted. Fine, I can share mine.
in both.
No problem, no problem.
Ma'am, can Abhay share his screen? Ma'am, I got 3 stars for this.
Yeah, sure, dear. If you want to share your code, that will be really fine for me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I have got 2 stars and I have used a very shorter code.
Oh, that's really nice.
Ma'am,
Yes.
only one loop. Ma'am means one repeat.
That's really nice that they will move 8 steps, then you are repeating turn left and then 2 steps. That's really nice. A very short code. A very short code.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome, Ramit.
Ma'am, should I run it and show it?
Yes, sure. Ayushman, have you taken the screenshot of this?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Please save your screenshot. Ramit,
Yes, ma'am.
how many levels you have done?
Ma'am, I am not well. Yesterday I was sick, so I can't do the levels. But today I will do by the night.
How many levels you have done yesterday?
Ma'am, total in programming, ma'am. Let me see.
Yeah, sure, dear. Take your time. Aditya, how many levels you have done?
Ma'am,
You were not present in the last class?
Yeah, ma'am, I had a issue with the Redis mail. The validation code was not coming.
The validation code was not coming means?
Ma'am, actually I was not able to open the app Redis mail.
Please share me your screen.
No, ma'am, now it's fine.
Now it's fine. So how many levels you have done?
Ma'am, I'm in the 35th one.
35th in the beginner?
No, ma'am, in the programming.
Okay, in the programming. Okay, that one is programming or beginner? Yeah, in the programming. So sorry. Okay, so the last code which I am going to share is the 39th level. Fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Someone asked me to share the 39th level.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'm going to share the 39th level. Going back to menu.
Ma'am,
I think there was someone who asked me to share 45 or something. Yes.
Ma'am, I have doubt in programming level 10. My code is wrong. Can you please show me how to do it?
Can you please first show me your code?
Yes, ma'am.
So that
Ma'am,
we can see the problem in your code. Maybe your code is correct and you are doing anything wrong there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm sure. Ma'am, this.
Bishop is moving one step. Then Dev is
Yes,
moving
ma'am, I am
one
running.
steps. Okay. Dev is moving 2 steps. Then Bishop is moving 3 steps. Fine. Okay.
It is coming.
What you are doing, you have not, can you please make a movement for the Dev to left or right?
Yes, ma'am, I'm making, ma'am.
Not in the end, dear. Not in the end.
Okay, ma'am.
Please calculate where we need to turn the Dev. Where we need to turn the Dev. First, spaceship is moving 1 step, then Dev is moving -3 steps, then Dev is coming back to spaceship by 2 steps. Then the spaceship is moving 3 steps, and Dev is moving 1 step and the -1 step. Fine. Then the spaceship is moving 2 steps, and spaceship is turning right, and spaceship is moving 1 step. Now, after the spaceship is moving, your Dev will not move 2 steps directly. First, he will turn.
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Okay, so before the last one step, add Dev.
Ma'am,
Yes, who's that? Who's that?
I am saying that he can do spaceship stack 5 instead of doing spaceship stack 3.
Oh, really? Do we not
Yes, ma'am.
need to collect the
3 stars
between?
in this lab.
Yeah, dear, but do we not need to collect this middle energy source?
Ma'am, we can collect after when we
Yes,
will
ma'am, we can
set the
collect.
spaceship after in the between of the two last.
We can connect.
Ma'am, we can collect by -4 or turn right.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Anant, share me your screen. Who's this? The screen is of Ramit. Yes, Ramit.
Yes, ma'am.
Anant is going to show you his code. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Ma'am,
many of the students got 3 stars in the levels. Okay.
ma'am, I have not used them. I am making that code. I am confused. So Lahar has said so. Ma'am, I think then it works. Ma'am, I
Yes,
have
ma'am,
not
it
made
will
it.
work. Ma'am, yes.
Leher, actually, I'm not asking for the code just because you are having another device to show the code, and we all are not able to see your code properly. As you know, we were facing this problem.
Because you can, it is not coming blur from my camera. I can see.
Yes, now actually today it's clear, but yesterday we were facing a lot of issues
Yeah,
in your code.
actually, yesterday some network issues there.
Ma'am,
the code is working.
Ramit,
Yes, ma'am.
Hanshika, just wait for 1 minute. You can take a screen. Have you taken the screenshot?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I have done the code that Leher has done. It is 3 stars.
Okay, the 3 stars you got.
Yes,
Fine. Yes, Hansika.
My code is working, but I'm on the 19th level. It is showing I got 17 stars out of 17. I got 17 blocks out of 18. It's showing.
You need help in 19th level?
Yes, like it is. I have to do the code in 8 blocks, but it has been to 17 blocks. So how should I make it small?
You want to reduce the length of your code? Who's having the less length of the code in 19th level?
Ma'am, I have.
Leher?
Yes, ma'am. I have to spot it.
Wait, Abhay, yes, Abhay, please share your code.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sharing.
Okay, do you know why I ask you people to share your code, to explain your code? Why I ask for this?
I'm sharing.
Yes, Hansika. Yes, Hansika.
Can you help me to decrease the length of my code so it would be the code is of
Okay,
8
Hansika, wait. Hansika, wait. Abhay is sharing his screen. Can you see it?
Yes.
If you want to copy the code, you can do it. Okay? Okay. Just everyone mute yourself. Okay. So I was asking why I asked you people to share your code or to define your code. Why I always force you people to do these things, and I rarely share my screen. Sorry.
Ma'am, so you always need to ask for sharing that we can active in class.
For the activeness and so that you can revise things, okay? Because you people have to appear in the mock test, okay? And how you will revise your code? By doing such activities. That's why I always choose different people for different codes. Okay, I was having two options for this code. One was the less. Yes.
Ma'am, when is the mock test? Can you please tell?
No, I have no idea, dear. Okay, the team will let you know by mail, but I am having no idea. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who have done with all 50 levels, please start education level. Those who have done 50 level of programming, start with the education level. And those who are still on the programming level, please do it right now and let me know wherever you are facing any problems. Good, Siddhiji. Hanshika, please let Abhay know whenever you have copied the code. Fine? Copied? Abhay, you can stop sharing your screen and you can do your work.
Thanks, Abhay.
Welcome. Welcome.
Okay, so I am asking one by one. First is Abhay Pandey. How many level you have done?
Ma'am, I'm in the programming level. Ma'am, I'm in the 41st level. I'm on
41st level, okay. Aditya, how many levels you have done? Till now. You was on the 35th?
The 39th.
39, fine. Anant Agrawal, how many level you have done here?
Ma'am, I am in education.
You are in education. Fine.
Ma'am,
18th. That's really nice. I have done only 22 level of the education.
ma'am, I am in 18th.
Fine. Anjali Dikshit. On which level you are, dear?
Ma'am, I am on 30.
30. 30.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Ayushman.
Ma'am, I am on 49. My 50 is left and 39.
50 and 39.
Yes, ma'am. 50 I am doing and 39.
But I have shared you the code of 39.
And when did you show?
Let me just check. If I'm not wrong, I have shared you the code of 39. Because I confirmly know that you asked me for 39 level. Wait, let me just check. No, I have not shared my 39 level. Yes. So sorry, that's my bad. Yes, Leher.
Ma'am, can you please share the code of education 62 level?
Dear, I just confessed that I have done only 22 level in the education.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when you will done the 62 level, so can you please tell just I don't know the code of it.
Wait, can I explain the 39th level of programming first?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayushman, I'm sharing my screen, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you see what I'm
Yes,
doing?
I can see.
I'm just repeating things. First, my Dev is moving -3 steps. Okay.
Yes.
And after doing this, my Dev is turning right. Wait, let me just do this. Okay. After doing this, my Dev is turning right and he's moving 9 steps. After moving 9 steps, he is coming to this loop, the repeat block, which I am running for 3 times. Then he's turning left and he's moving -2 steps. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. I'm doing this for 3 times. That means first he will turn left, collect this energy source, then turn left, collect this energy source, turn left and collect this energy source. When he will come back to this repeat block, then he will turn left, he will turn right. He will only turn right. And after doing this, we have end with this block for 1 time. Now, what will happen? Now, again, the Dev will move -3 steps to come back to this position. Now he will turn right and he will move 9 steps. Okay. Then this repeat block for 3 times again run. That means he will come back to this position. After doing this, he will just turn right. And now the third loop will again start with this. Now that they will come to this position. By doing this, he will run for 9 times. And the repeat block for 3 times will run again. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. I have got it.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the last one is 50 level.
Ma'am, in my programming level of 14th, my code is getting wrong. Can you please show me?
Ramit?
Ma'am?
Which one, Ramit?
Ma'am, programming 14th.
14. 1 for 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, let me just check how many stars I get in this level. If I've not got
3 stars.
3 stars, then surely someone else will share. Yes, I got 2 stars. Apart from Leher, who else is there who got 3 stars in level 14? Apart from Leher. Anant Agrawal.
Ma'am, I'm checking.
Okay, you are checking. Actually, you just unmute yourself. That's why I'm asking.
Oh, I have mistake.
Ma'am, I got
14th level.
Yes.
14th. Ma'am, I got 2 stars only.
Okay. Yes, Aditya.
no, ma'am. In the 14th level, I got 2 stars.
Okay, you also got 2 stars. Fine. So I can share my screen. Yes. Ramit, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what I'm doing, first I'm moving my spaceship for the 5 times. Okay.
Yes,
Then my spaceship is turned left and then the spaceship will move 10 steps to come at this position. Okay. And
Yes.
then this loop is repeating for 2 times. That means the spaceship will again turn left and it will move 10 steps one more time. Then spaceship will turn left one more time and then the spaceship will move 5 steps. Okay.
Okay.
If you want, I can do one thing here also. I can delete this and I can write it 3.
Yes, ma'am. My same code is this. This
Okay,
only.
3 times.
Yes, ma'am. So the steps are getting more. Ma'am,
Okay.
steps are getting.
I get 2 stars in that.
Yeah, ma'am.
Fine. Fine. Okay, so the level 50 for the Ayushman. You are asking for the 50 level? Yes, okay. I got only 2 stars. Apart from Leher, how many of you get 3 stars in the level 50? Apart from Leher? Is anyone there who got 3 stars in level 50? Okay, if no one, Leher, how many stars you get in this level? Okay, only you. Now you can
Ma'am,
share.
3 stars I got in 15th level.
Yes, please share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayushman, please let her know if you are able to see her screen.
Ma'am, I cannot see what is written repeat after repeat.
Ma'am, spaceship step 6 and left. Ma'am, spaceship step 6 and left.
Okay. Wait. So you all have muted yourself. Yes, Hansika.
I'm facing a problem in level 21. So can I share the screen?
Fine.
Just share it. Ma'am, should I off my video now?
Who's this?
Ma'am, there.
Leher, actually, Ayushman, have you copied her code or not?
Ma'am, I have copied, but it is not working.
Not working? Leher,
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
working in your screen?
But ma'am, it's working.
Okay, fine.
No,
Let
ma'am,
me
it-
just...
Working.
In my, it is not working, ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am,
Leher,
can you please say?
Leher,
Yes, ma'am.
Leher, wait. Let me just deal with Hansika first, okay?
Okay.
Yes, so Hansika, first they will one and turn right, they will two, turn right. Can you see? We are turning right in every step, then the step is increasing.
Yes.
Step is increasing in every condition. So you can also switch this code. Can I share my screen, Hansika?
Yes.
I have shared this. What I am doing? I am just running it for 8 times. I know in last he just needs to move only 2 steps. But we also know that if they will collect energy source in between his path, he will stop at that position only. Okay? So he will not run for the 8 steps there. He will stop there only. Where will be the last energy source is available. Have you copied the code?
I'm copying it.
Okay. Take your time. No problem.
Ma'am, I was asking tomorrow there will be webinar.
Who's this?
Ma'am, Ramit.
No, there is no webinar tomorrow.
Tomorrow there is no webinar.
Your next webinar will be on Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. This is for all of you. Your next webinar will be on Monday. Sanchika, do I need to clarify you why I am using this A variable? Or you knew this?
No, I know this.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Oh, I just remember one thing. I asked you all, those who were present in Monday class, I asked you all to use the if block. How many of you have used the if block? Even I shared my code to you, which I have used in the 47 level. How many of you have used the if block in your coding? Do you know Shreyansh, who will join? Actually, he will be joining in 5 to 10 minutes. He just showed me his code by yesterday. That time I get to know that this was your homework, to use the if block. Yes, Leher, what about you?
I'm done. I copied.
I asked you to use the if block. I asked you all to use the if block. How many of you have used?
Ma'am, I have used in one code if block and
Okay,
it works.
you have used? Okay, then fine. First,
Yes,
share.
I have used in 41 level of
Okay,
programming.
fine. Okay, Hanshika, or can you? Okay, you are muted. Yes, Leher.
Yes, ma'am.
First, share the code of level 50. Okay, for which
Yeah.
Ayushman is saying that the code was not working. Yes, please.
5050.
Yeah, 5050. Ayushman, that was
Ma'am,
50.
I have got 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I got 2 stars in this one level.
No problem with 2 stars. But actually, Ayushman was saying that the code was not working. No, this was not the code.
Ma'am, it is the code of 4 blocks when he showed first time.
Yes, that was code. That was a different code.
Level 15. That is level 15.
5050.
No, ma'am, 15. 15.
Okay, that's why the error occurred. Yes, this was the code you shared. This was of 15 level. This was 1515 level code.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, actually he asked for 50 level. Okay, so Ayushman,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to share my screen for level 50.
Okay, ma'am.
You can take the screenshot, and if you need any help in that coding, just let me know.
Okay, ma'am.
I also got only 2 stars because I'm using the variable. I can also use a variable, okay? There is no thing like why I'm using only b. If you want, you can use a variable.
Ma'am, I have taken.
Okay, done. Okay, Leher, share me the level 41 in which you have used the if block.
Okay, ma'am, I'm just showing it. Can you see, ma'am?
No, I cannot see. Yes. Okay, now please stable your camera.
Yes, ma'am, it's stable.
Okay, this is of programming.
Yes, ma'am, programming one.
Okay, that's really nice. So now you know how to use the if block? Or is there any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you
No,
clearly
ma'am,
know?
there's no any doubt.
Okay. All of you, if you will use the if block, you will better understand that how you can use that block. Okay.
Ma'am, I have used this same code, and I also used if block in
That's really
41st.
nice. Very good. That's really nice.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt, Leher, only.
Yes.
Ma'am,
What
in
doubt?
the education one, with if else is also coming, but in programming it's not coming. So I don't know how to use else.
In programming, what?
In programming, only if is coming, not
Yes.
else is coming. But when I am doing like education one, so in this if do and else is coming. So I don't know how to use else. Can you please tell?
I'm just checking in. There is no else block in education. Share me your screen and show me.
62 level.
Share me your.
Ma'am, I'm just sharing it.
Yes, sure, dear. Can you? Oh yeah, there is if, do, and then else.
Ma'am, in this one, the code is already made.
Okay, the code is already made because they want to show you that how you can use this if or else block.
Ma'am, how it is used else?
Else is the condition like. First, can you all mute yourself? Yes, good. So else is the condition like if I want to do this thing, I can do it. But if the condition is not possible, like I want to move left, okay? But there is a barrier in the left side or there is no way to move left side, then what I will say, else move right side. If there is no way to move left side, move right side. Even they were using this condition only, that they will move left if, else they will move right. They were using this thing. Anand, what happened here?
Okay, ma'am.
No, you have not got my answer right now.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayushman.
ma'am, your 50th level code is being wrong.
15 or 50th?
Ma'am, 50.
50, which I have shared you just now.
Yes, ma'am. In my code, it is showing wrong.
Okay, so please share me your window.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is my code.
Okay. Turn left, B, and then right and B. Turn left, B, and then right and B. Then -4 and 1, -4 and 1. Then Dave turn right, -1 and 1. Dave turn right, -1 and 1. Then Dave will move left. Okay. And then 3 and 1. Okay. Then 1, 4. Please run this code one more time. Where the code is incorrect?
Ma'am, that time it is not working. How it's work now?
Okay, no problem.
Sorry, ma'am, but I didn't know.
No problem. No problem. Okay. Write it down in the chat how many of you have done with the 50 level. Vaibhav, you want to say something? You are raising your hand. Yes, Vaibhav, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I am having in level number 39. So can I share my screen?
Yes, sure, dear.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see that you are turning right for
Yes, ma'am.
2 times.
Just 2 minutes, ma'am. Ma'am, in 16th one of unit 2 in programming, my code is 2 stars only. I have get only 2 stars. Can you show me the code? Ma'am, see, this is...
Yes.
Ma'am, I am
Okay.
having some problem in my code. If I am doing like this, and if I am adding...
Please look for 2 times.
Ma'am, then it is running.
Then it is running.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Let me just check your code. And you get only 1 star in this condition.
Yes, ma'am. That's why I want to.
First, the Dev turn right and turn right. Fine. You are turning right 2 times. Then your Dev is moving for 7 steps. After collecting the... Okay. Fine. Can I show you my code? Vaibhav?
What now?
Vaibhav, I am going to share my code, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am. Now I can see.
What I'm doing, I'm just moving -3 steps. I'm not turning left or right. I'm just moving -3 steps. After reaching this position, my code is start moving by this. And when he will come back to this, he will
Okay,
move this. When he will come back to this, he will move this line.
Okay, ma'am.
And what you are trying to do, you are first covering this distance. After covering this,
Yes, ma'am.
you are coming back to this position. Then you are coming back to this. Then doing this and this. And then doing this. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
That means you are following a lengthy path.
Yes.
Anant Agrawal have done with 50 levels. Leher also done with 50 levels. And
Ma'am, I have also done.
okay, Ayushman also done. Because I asked you to write it down in the chat that how many levels you have done.
Ma'am, can you share me the code of 16th in programming level?
Yeah, dear. Sure, dear. This is my code. Vaibhav, you have taken the screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am, I am seeing.
First, let me know who's asking for this.
Ma'am, Ramit.
Okay, Ramit. Fine. Ramit, what I'm doing, I can make it short Okay, by just following a loop, like I can move this position, then this position. Okay, and then what I need to do? I just need to repeat all these things.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
I have done in my code, I am going to this position, then directly moving to this position, then this, and then this. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
I am doing this kind of thing. Yes, Hansika, what happened?
I have a problem in level number 27.
You have a problem in level number 27. Okay, when Ramit will copy the code, I will just share the 27 level. Fine.
Okay.
Those who have not done with the
Ma'am,
programming.
I have copied.
Done? Okay, fine. Hansika, I'm going to share the level number 27. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. That's all. Okay. Those who have done with the programming level, please start code with the education level and at least try to code 20 levels or 30 levels. Fine. Till Monday, if you can do, please try to code for 20 or 30 levels if you can do. Yes, Ayushman?
Ma'am, I have done 18 levels in education.
Fine. Okay. So till Monday, if it is possible for you all, you can done 20 to 30 level. And if you will face any problem in any level, just let me know. Okay. And we will solve the problem for all 30 levels.
Ma'am, I have done 20 levels in education.
Fine. Fine. Those who have not done, and those who are still on the programming level, please complete all 50 levels. Please complete all 50 levels because this 50 level task was for yesterday only. Today I want to start with the education level. Fine. Hansika, have you copied the code or not?
I'm copying it.
Okay. Why Shashank is not in the class today? Okay, so apart from Hansika, all of you can leave the class. We will see you on Monday.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Same
Bye,
time.
ma'am.
Bye, bye,
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
bye, bye. Hey, Jivit, how are you?
Ma'am, can you share me the 18th number code?
Okay, but just Hanshika is copying the
Yeah,
code.
ma'am.
Okay, then I will share the 18th code.
Yes,
Ramit,
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
you are asking for 18th level or Vaibhav is asking for 18th
Ma'am,
level?
I.
Who I?
Ma'am, Ramit.
Ramit, okay. Actually, Vaibhav is also unmuted
Yes,
himself. That's why I was having
I
confusion.
copied it.
Copied? Okay, fine. The 18th or 19th? Ramit?
Ma'am,
19th?
18th. Ma'am, 18th.
18th. This is the code.
Okay, ma'am. I'm copying it.
Okay, great.
2 minutes. Ma'am, I have taken the screenshot. I will do.
Okay, bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
May I leave?
Yes, sure, dear. Try to
Thank
complete
you.
all 50 levels. Okay? Try to complete all 50 levels.
Thank you. Meet you on Monday.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.